Hey everybody, how are you doing? Welcome back to J Let's Eat. On tonight's menu we have Wingstop. Y'all do not click off. It's your girl Shay from Shay Snacks, and this is a collab video with myself and Jay from J Let's Eat. I hope you guys enjoy. So guys, we have some lemon pepper wings, we have some buffalo wings, we have the french fries, as well as the Cajun corn, on our plate today. And let's snack. I can't forget my blue cheese. Mike over there eating too, y'all. Babe, you want your blue cheese? You want no blue cheese? What? You want the sweet tea or the fruit punch? Bro, you know you can talk, right? You don't got to just shake your head. It's okay. This plate is hot, so I don't want to put this blue cheese up here. But did you want any of the french fries? Papa? Okay. I'm sorry, let me move this drink. I guess I'll get the sweet tea. We'll move that. And we're gonna put this over here, cause I don't want them to be on the hot plate. All right. Oh, it's like what's up? What's good? I actually had just started my video. I mean, watching Jay new video today. Let me show y'all. I definitely was watching it. Why is pause? Yeah, I know I like to watch people while I be recording and just turn it down. Yeah, I love these french fries. Oh my gosh. Y'all can't even see me dip the sauce. This sauce is gonna have to warm up a little bit. And I got the Cajun corn. Y'all wanna go ahead and try that? And my first time trying it. Okay. They definitely use sweet corn. Okay. They onto something. Let's see what this blue cheese is. Girl, J Let's Eat is the bomb.com. Sis has really been very helpful in my new YouTube journey. So literally, she family, and I was so honored when she said yes to this collab. So y'all, I'm not sure if I have seen any of her videos, but if you are not subscribed, please head over to J Let's Eat and subscribe to her channel. Watch her videos. She the bomb. Let's get into this chicken, y'all. It's the lemon pepper. Y'all want a bite? Y'all like blue cheese or a ranch? I'm big on blue cheese. Like, oh my gosh, so big on blue cheese. And if y'all can hear people talking in the background, I'm sorry, y'all. That's Mama B and Grandma Jane. Oh, Beauty trying to be my friend. Yeah, I had to give her a bath today. She was mad at me. But I got food, so now she's gonna be all over here and buy me. I'm gonna put some on. I don't even know why I be getting, but these fries really are good. But Mike don't eat them. He don't eat them like that. There's my extra one, y'all. OMG. We'll get another piece of this corn. Who knew? Fried Cajun corn. Who knew? Oh, that ain't in y'all way. It don't look like it though. Y'all, they go to Buffalo back here. I was about to get the atomic ones. I was like, nah, let me not do that. Today. Let me turn this down. Ooh. I don't know when. The last time I heard WINGSTOP was that October? September. September or October. This boy wanna open the door with all that noise out there. I know y'all heard that. My blue cheese dropping. Oh, my cheese. Y'all just turn and look, and Jay over there shaking her head like this. She's got her puff ball up today, and it's looking mad cute. Well, her African print. Oh, that's good. I see some push down. Now, one thing about WINGSTOP, that blue cheese definitely got heavy garlic in it. Y'all see that cheese? And you definitely got to brush your teeth a couple of times. See, this is what happens when you ain't had WINGSTOP. Yeah. This is what happened when you ain't had WINGSTOP in a long time. I was like, can I please get an extra blue cheese? Yeah. That's my wannabe British voice. I'm like, can I please get an extra blue cheese? And the lady said, it already come with 2. I said, I know. So that'll be $1.29. How you are, Mom? I don't know why Mike don't like WINGSTOP French fries like that. He'll eat like 1 or 2. And then he be done. He be like, babe, you can have it. That be boring to me. I'm gonna move this. It's still hot. Buddha wants some. No, ma'am. Hopefully that don't warm up. It ain't touching the middle part. I need to stop drinking that juice. But I only had 2 wings and I'm starting to get full. But y'all know I love to eat my French fries first. So I actually found J Let's Eat through Auntie KC Connections. I just shouted her out, and I went to her channel. I was like, okay. She actually kind of fairly knew herself, but I want to say she only had it was like six, almost 700 subscribers when I subscribed to her. And then she hit 1K a little bit after that. And I promise you, from 1K, I just kept watching her, and one day I just so I could pay attention to her numbers. And it literally was like in a week's time. It went from 1K to like 2K. And I was like, yes. I'm gonna be you when I grow up. I always be trying to wear these my head scarves, y'all, but my hairline small. Excuse me. I tried to make this look kind of cute, y'all, but it just didn't work out. It wasn't no real cute way to place the chicken up here. OMG. If you ain't never had Wingstop before, sorry y'all. My phone definitely should have been no wrinkle. But my tablet over there too, so this was so good, y'all. I'm gonna eat another corn. I used to eat chicken all the time. I'm not a big chicken eater anymore. It's corn. Corn is everything. See, carbs is my issue, y'all. All of my weight come from carbs. I done had what? 4 pieces of chicken, I think. I'm definitely full. And it's all kind of french fries. This definitely made me feel happy because we went to the farmer's market recently and I wasn't able to get no Mexican street corn because I forgot to take cash, so I was using my card. I was using my debit card there and I swiped my debit card 4 times, so they froze. They shut my account. They didn't shut it down, but they put the fraud, they locked the card. You know how you have to call to verify? Well, I have a credit union, so I have to call to verify. And because we were still at the farmer's market, it wasn't like a quiet place where I could call them. And Mike swiped his card once. It was like, okay, let's be cautious because we don't want both of our cards to get locked before we leave here. Even though this Cajun corn, it really don't have no spice. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. Y'all don't forget to go check out my sis, the fam, J Let's Eat. If you like what you see, please don't hesitate to like, comment, subscribe to me and sis J. Y'all, it was a pleasure snacking, and I will see you guys on my next video. Peace.